All right, we're on our way to do some creek fishing today. Let's go. We got the kids with us.
We have to think.
It's still February, but it's gonna be 50 today and a beautiful day. The water's cleared up according to Reese. We're gonna hit some spots. And our goal is to catch the first good smallmouth of the day. We'd love to break 14 inches today. We're going to start throwing the Trout Tickler Tackle paddle tail, purple color. Worked for us last time. We got some other colors, as well as some paddle tail baits. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what works. We'll see what the future entails for us today. Oh, there we go. Oh, smallmouth. Not a big one, but a good first fish. I saw him eat it. Yes, got our first one. No. Look at this guy. Look at this. That's a good first start. Pretty fish. That was fun. He came right off and bit it right off in the clear water. He had followed that bait from the hole into the shallows and took a swipe at it right when I could see it. I don't think the camera will get to see it, but with the glasses on, could. That was awesome. Not the size we were hoping to catch, but the fish we were hoping to catch. Oh, fish on. Oh, he got off. Dang it. I didn't think he was a fish.
How it says it.
What?
How it says it, Daddy.
How many inches? I have no idea. I didn't see him, bud. All I know is that he bit. Right out there in front of you guys. He was there.
And here's the fishing joke of the day. Why did the dog jump out of the boat into the water? Because he thought he saw a catfish. Back to the action.
I don't know. Harper, what are you doing, babe? Oh, fish on. Oh, rock bass. You want him?
Yeah.
Get him. He's on there. Get him, bud. Got a rock bass.
Rocky Road.
Yes.
Can I throw a cast?
Yeah, sure can.
Because I haven't thrown a cast for a long time.
Good job. Okay. Toss it right out. Good cast.
Can I see it?
Little bug
Can I see it again?
starting to come out. It's February, but it's warm enough that they are coming out. Let them some sort of caddis. All right, first cast with the little swimmer.
As you can see, I have a big ball of clay.
Yes, he has a giant ball of clay that he's going to take home with him today. I guess he's got a project for him. There you go. Smallmouth. Decent smallmouth. There you go. Another smallmouth. Oh, he got off. He got off. Darn it. Oh, there we go. Got another smallmouth. Here he is. Oh, he got off. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Got a little rock bass. Actually decent rock bass. Yeah. Starting to catch them. Another rock bass. Yeah. Oh yeah. Weird. Whoa. Something just massive went in the water. Whoa. Or was that the wind? It was a dust devil. He does. She's hung around with us. There we go. Fish on.
Can I get him?
Yeah, I think it's a creek chub. If I can see correctly. Yep, get him. Yep, I think we got a creek chub. Bring him in. Good one too. All right.
Oh yeah.
Creek chub.
Creek C-H-O-B.
Chub too.
C-H-U-B.
I got
Chub.
a creek chub too.
You did?
Yeah.
Sweet. Here, show him off. Nice.
Beautiful fish. Out
Here, Harper, take a look. Oh, beautiful, Harper. Say hi to the fishy.
Wanna kiss him?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yes.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get another one.
Let's see if I can get another one.
Thanks for watching this video. It was a great time with the family out on the creek. Fishing wasn't super fast, but we were able to catch some smallmouth, some rock bass, and a creek chub at the end. It was a great, well-rounded trip. We got to see some cool stuff. Reese got to pick up a part of a deer bone, play in the dirt, have a lot of fun, pretended to fish, caught some fish, had a lot of excitement as a family, and got to see a dust devil cross a creek. And that was really cool. So all those things came together into making a great day out of the water. So if you can, like this video. If you enjoy the content, we want to keep giving it to you. So like this video, support us, and help us get to 10, 20, 30 likes with this video. And with your help, we can get there. Drop us a comment because we love hearing from you. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, because we greatly appreciate it. And we want to see our channel grow, and with your help we can get there. So with that, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time out on the water.
Thank you.